I know at that time, we didn't even know the full realization of what a York bridge would actually give you as far as aesthetics and appearance. And every bridge that we looked at was always different, had some sort of different look or different finish to it.
So I went to the drawing board and I sketched away to create something that was truly unique, a bigger than life guide rail that would really make these bridges.
The owner, Randy Benderson, one of his favorite aspects of the park is that we always came back to the York Bridge. There was, something about the York Bridge that just, it stood out, it popped, and these are the guys you want to work with. This is the team that thinks outside the box and has great designs. And you really put together you said it, the railing is going to pull this whole bridge together.
Well, we were trying for a wow factor with the rail. I think
Definitely.
we might have achieved that.
Yeah.
And I think one of the things that's unique about our handrails too is we try for different looks, different size posts, and I really love to use metal. I think in your case, the bolts stand out, and we use that as an element of design on the railing. The metal pickets, the metal caps. Those metal caps do not come from a shelf in some warehouse. Those were all custom made for that bridge. But really, they also serve a purpose. All those posts that stick up, if you have a bridge, one of the first things to age on it is any grains that are exposed to the weather. So the top grain of that timber is protected by the metal cap.
How courteous they are and professional they are, and you can tell as well that they care about the product. They care about what they're building. I think they like to step back at the end of the day too and look at it and say, "Oh, look at that bridge I just built." It's just not nail it and let's move on to the next.
We're all very proud of what we build, and I think that once you build a team and you're building a product such as we do, all those team members have to be bought into that. And they have to love what they do and have a passion for it, because I sure do.
There's no doubt you do.
Yeah.
You whipped that railing up pretty quick after our meeting.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, wow, he got right to work on that railing.
That's right. I bet you we've designed about 100 different unique looking bridges just this year alone.
Wow.
Totally different.
Yeah.
So, and really, you have 2 of them.
Yeah. You have a great vision for it. You have a great vision for the area and what the bridge is going to be. A bridge isn't always just for getting people from one side to the other.
That's exactly right.
A bridge is, aesthetics are just as important as the functionality of that bridge. And a bridge that's built right, designed right, and crafted properly really sets it apart, sets that area where the bridge is apart.
To me, our approach from there really fit with our Decero philosophy, to be able to give you something that was from scratch, that you guys can say, hey, we've got our Benderson bridges or Benderson guide rails that are truly unique and nobody else has anything like it in the world. And I think we can honestly say that that's what's here.
Definitely. Every inch of the deck, like you can't walk out there and go look at it and say, oh, they missed a spot here, or they didn't do this here, or they took a shortcut over here. There were no shortcuts that were taken. It was done right. I remember calling and said, James, I love it. Kind of one comment that our owner made was, hey, let's find a couple more places to put these bridges. They look so nice.
Yeah. For us to come back, it is difficult. It makes our job more difficult, but it's more rewarding in the end, because we're able to give you something that we know is going to be right when we leave it, and it's going to last.
Listen, we have something to be proud of here. It's a great venue, right? And the whole world it will see it.